That was a little downwind too. I don't know why. Yeah, battery's too cold. Yeah, looks like we can taxi it back. The deepest part of the snow should be right out here behind these grasses. Yeah, pretty much. Not a lot deeper, but...
5 minutes.
Well, it gets off quite handily in this little snow. Only about an inch deep in some places. Maybe 2 inches in a drift. I put it down to my own tracks.
Flaps up. Flaps middle.
I would like to do this FPV, but I'll tell you right now, it's too fracking cold. I covered over the windows so that it wouldn't let the cold air in with some clear tape. Boy, it's like an ice skating rink.
Flaps up. 2 minutes.
I'm not hitting LVC, so closing up those windows must have worked. Plus, I left the battery underneath the heater in the car so that it would get nice and warm.